Rais akipeana kiti katika hii Kiambu, hiyo kiti tuichunge na tuilinde. Rais kwa huruma zake na maono yake ametupatia leader of majority in the National Assembly, Mheshimiwa Kimani nani? Na rais na mimi tuko na imani na yeye na uongozi wake. Na mimi nataka nimwambie, mimi na rais hapo mbele, huyu kijana Kimani Ichungwah nyota yake hapana iko mbaya. Kwa hivyo nataka kuomba viongozi ya Kiambu, msikuwe wale mkipata kiongozi mnamfuruta chini. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kuomba MCAs wetu, tafadhali namuomba, hii kiti ya leader of majority ni ya Kiambu County. Msikuwe kwa mstari ya mbele kujaribu kumfuruta huyo kiongozi chini. Nikuwa ndo itu. Nimekuwa ndo guo. Ni ando ipigana mara wake bani waicho wanyiterero kwa sababu yuko namna hiyo. Na mimi nikimalizia niseme na ndiraugira ni muraigwire ndiraugire. Kwe metugo tore arari. Turauga totigwe kada. Nikuwa turaugire. Hii jamii yetu ni jamii ya heshima na ya kuheshimu viongozi. Huyu rais wetu ni mfalme wetu ambaye tulichagua mchana. Pahali yote ako kuwe na heshima. Kama wewe hupendi vile governor anasema nyamaza. Kama hupendi vile Ichungwah anasema nyamaza. Kama hupendi vile MP anasema nyamaza. Rais akishaondoka murumbane. Moganine ke? Siamo shiene chomo. Si mambo yetu tutatatua. Rais akishaondoka kama tuko na maneno si tutatatua. Tena hakuna uchaguzi. Uchaguzi umebaki miaka 4. Saa hii ni wakati ya kufanya nini? Tumekubaliana? Wamo ishone ndiraugire na nimuraji gwire. Nyobeno ito yake koyo na Mobi na Meru na
The President of Kenya, William Ruto, thank you very much for honoring with your presence in the commission of this important project. I would also like to thank you, the authorities, starting with the Vice President, the CS, the Governor, and all the team of the government that have accompanied you. So, Jambo, to the people, to the beneficiaries of this country, this is very impressive. We knew that this project is very important for Kenya and for this community. We have been following it since the beginning of its inception. And at this point, I would like to thank you, the CS for Irrigation, which is the counterpart of the project, together with the Spanish company Raesa, who have made possible that we have today this successful project. Just let me say a few words about the project. This is an initiative financed under Spanish-Kenya financial program. And this is a very successful example of what we can do with this initiative. I would like to say that this project, we are aware of the importance for Kenya for several reasons. First, because it is a project that addresses food security. We are aware of the problems that Kenya has had in the recent years due to the droughtness. This project addresses irrigation, which gives sustainability to the agriculture. Thank you. Second, as the President has already mentioned, it creates jobs. It creates jobs for the communities, for the beneficiaries. It's a way of living. And third, which is also very important, all the products that are the outcome of this agriculture initiative are for export. And this, I would like to link it with the recent economic partnership agreement signed between Kenya and the European Union, under which the products of Kenya could be exported to the European Union without any duties. So it is our wish that this initiative will also be in the framework of this economic partnership agreement. I I would like to say a few words to the beneficiaries. I see a lot of people, as I have said before. This is very impressive to see the enthusiasm and ownership that this project arises among the community. This is very important for us, the ownership of the project. Doing a project needs also to be successful, the ownership of the counterpart. And I can see here with your presence and your enthusiasm that you have already owned this project. My last words are to wish all the beneficiaries and this community all the best in the implementation of this project. We would like to be present in the continuation. We will be part of the further phases of this project that might have. Spain and Kenya have a strong partnership, and it is our wish to deepen even further this partnership. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, President.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you very much. I want to assure you that this community is truly, truly grateful. And we want to work. Ameuliza kama munataka tuendelee na Spain katika project phase 2. Yes, they have asked that phase 2, we want to work together with Spain because you've been great partners with this project. Si namna hiyo? Na nyinyi mko chonjo sana, mmepiga makofi ndio unaona maneno imekuwa sawa. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Haya, wacha nimuite Rigiji atusalimie.